Are you feeling totally unappreciated, taken for granted? Do you have to ask for every bit of affection or appreciation you get? Is the spontaneity gone? Well, I have solutions. My name is Harold Haven Boggs. I'm a licensed therapist. My specialties are rebuilding marriages, alcohol and drug recovery, and trauma healing. And I am so excited to bring to you the #1 relationship skill in the world, the 6 trust builders. Hey, first, please help us out. Smash that like button, subscribe, comment, share this lesson with those you care about. It does make a big difference. So back to our program. Nobody has to tell you we are living in unprecedented times of stress, but the Gottman research, Drs. Julie and John Gottman at the University of Washington, shows that 60% of the families who struggle with the issues of addiction and recovery and other problems get through it with their families intact, and their relationships are better than ever. That's the beauty of recovery, and that's why I love my work. So buckle your seatbelts as we learn the nitty-gritty about rebuilding trust. Trust is the fuel of friendship, and marriage is friendship. We've covered the 6 trust builders in previous videos. Today, I have a bonus, number 7, for you. The result of good marriage counseling is restored relationships. The key to restored relationships is friendship, and the key to friendship is trust. Trust is the fuel of friendship. So today, we're tapping into some bonus material from the Gottman Institute, the Gottman Method. Drs. Julie and John Gottman at the University of Washington are brilliant researchers. They're articulate authors and fabulous marriage counselors. They've been married over 40 years. They have a wonderful sense of humor, and their ideas are easy to understand. So on our quest for trust, I would like to distill a couple of Gottman Method techniques and their value in building trust. The Gottman Method trust builder I'd like to share with you is called the 4 Horsemen. With 40 years of research at the University of Washington, the Gottmans discovered the 4 top reasons for divorce in America. They call these the 4 Horsemen of the Apocalypse. Everyone was surprised that these 4 came out on top. Even the Gottmans were surprised. Criticism, defensiveness. Yeah, but you. Contempt, that's belittling and put downs. And they call number 4 stonewalling, which is the silent treatment. We're asking you to put a ban on those 4 behaviors and replace those 4 with healthy behaviors. So do not criticize, do not be defensive, put a ban on contempt, and put a ban on the silent treatment. We replace each negative with a positive. Instead of criticism, we use the gentle startup. We learn to say please and thank you again. We eliminate the words you and why, and instead we share how we feel and what we want. We stop describing the other person. We pause and we validate our loved one's response. We listen to understand, and we validate our loved one's response. It is a fantastic trust builder. The second horseman, defensiveness. Instead of going on the defensive, yeah, but you, we learn to humble ourselves and own our part. Instead of contempt, number 3, belittling and sarcasm, we learn to share how we feel, what we want, and we value our loved one's point of view, and we value the differences. We value the differences. Finally, instead of stonewalling, giving people the silent treatment for hours, sometimes days, we learn to use abdominal breathing, slow your heart rate, and thus change your emotions in real time. That's how to overcome the four horsemen in your home. Basically, what the Gottmans are asking us to do is never argue in anger again. Anger is just a bad habit. So that's a quick look at some of the Gottman tools and how they help build trust. Again, please smash that like button, subscribe, share this video with the people you care about, and please comment. I would like this to be a dialogue. Now, I would like to ask you a question. Would you love to have a proven plan to restore your family and help your loved one get recovery? Do you think that perhaps your loved one is in a crisis, but you're not sure? I have some good news. I have put together a comprehensive online course to guide you each step of the way in your family's journey to recovery so that you can have full confidence in the support you give. What to do, what not to do, what to say, what not to say, so that you can help your loved one without losing yourself. Our online course is here, and we are excited. I provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to support your loved one on their journey to recovery now. It's called Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. With the proper tools, you can turn your mess into an opportunity. And there's a free ebook waiting for you. So go to wegetrecovery.com, click on the link for the ebook and the class, Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. Go to wegetrecovery.com. Go to wegetrecovery.com, click on the link for the ebook and the class, Helping a Loved One with a Drug Problem Without Losing Yourself, 5 Powerful Tools. Go to wegetrecovery.com,